The name of this place is Jarogo, which is 284 km from Islamabad. It is located in Matta Tahsil district Swat KPK. You need special car from Bihar to Chhattisgarh. You need to go by the walk from Chhattisgarh, the rest of destination. The Jarogo waterfall is the highest waterfall in Pakistan. After 1 to 2 hour journey you will reach to Jarogo. The height of Jarogo waterfall is more than 120 meter. Jarogo has high mountain, trees, bank and beautiful valleys, which flavor the rule of promote terrorism in Pakistan. There is a wide and beautiful smooth ground above the waterfall. The local language is very hospitable with the guests. The life of people in Jarogo are very simple. Thanks for watching, dear friends.